This is a Singer sewing machine with the dome cathedral lid. It's in pretty good shape, a little dusty. There's a flaw right there, you know, a little white rub off. Case is in pretty good condition. Does come with a key. There's a little wear right there. A little wear from the machine right there. It's fully functional. There's a close-up of the lock. The machine itself is in great condition. It still works. Motor number is 2M033A. It's 115 volt, 60 megahertz, and 115 horsepower, and 5,000 RPM. It's got a couple flaws as far as the finish. You know, there's a couple imperfections right there. I have close-ups in my auction of these. Serial number is AA280081. There's the Singer emblem, and we'll let Diane fire it up.
Put the light on.
That's your antique Singer sewing machine.